Imagine seeing clearly from miles away, spotting prey in total darkness, or even seeing colors you never knew existed. Welcome to the world of animals with super sharp vision. In this video, we'll rank the top 12 creatures with eyesight so incredible you won't believe it's real. Stay with us and you might be surprised where humans fit into this list. Our vision helps us experience the world around us, but what if I told you that compared to some animals, humans are practically blind? Today, we'll take you through the top 12 animals with the sharpest vision on the planet, ranked from least to most impressive. Along the way, we'll break down what makes their vision so sharp, including a quick dive into the optic chiasma. This is the point in the brain where the optic nerves from each eye meet and partially cross, allowing us to see a complete picture. This crossover can be the key to sharper, more detailed vision. But that's not all. Some animals have the ability to see what we can't. For instance, infrared vision detects heat by picking up longer wavelengths of light, while ultraviolet sight is all about shorter wavelengths and is common in species that rely on fine visual details in daylight, like birds and bees. While we live in the world of visible light, these animals explore a reality hidden from our eyes. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 12. Humans. Surprisingly, we kick off the list with us, humans. While our vision is good, especially compared to most mammals, it pales in comparison to other species. We can differentiate millions of colors, but our depth perception and focus are limited. What holds us back? Our optic nerves do cross at the optic chiasma, but only partially, meaning our field of vision is wide, but not the sharpest. As we move through this list, you'll see how this optical crossover plays a key role in enhancing visual sharpness in other species. Number 11. Dogs. Next up, man's best friend. Dogs may not have the best color vision, but their ability to see in low light is astonishing. Their rod cells, special light detecting cells, are much more sensitive than ours, allowing them to navigate in near darkness. However, the optic chiasma structure in dogs doesn't cross enough to give them the sharpest vision. In daylight, they're not seeing as clearly as some of the animals we're about to meet. Number 10. Chameleons. Chameleons have independently moving eyes, giving them a 360-degree view of their environment. While they don't see colors as well as humans, their eyes are laser focused when it comes to catching prey. Their vision is not necessarily sharp, but the ability to focus on two different things at once, thanks to how their nerve fibers cross, is definitely a superpower in itself. Number 9. Snakes like pit vipers. Pit vipers, a species of snake, have evolved to see in infrared. They may not see sharp details like we do, but they can detect heat with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine being able to see the heat signature of animals hiding in the bushes. Their visual system works very differently from ours, where the optic chiasma doesn't even matter. Heat sensing organs take over. Number 8. Cats. Now, who doesn't love the mysterious gaze of a cat? Cats can see incredibly well in low light, about 6 times better than humans, thanks to a higher number of rod cells. Their optic chiasma allows for better depth perception, which is why they're such precise hunters. Their vision sharpness isn't the best in bright light, but in the dark, they're almost unbeatable. Number 7. Eagles. Here's where things get serious. Eagles are often hailed as the kings of sharp vision, and for good reason. Their vision is about 4 to 5 times sharper than ours. They can spot a rabbit from several miles away. The key here is their optic chiasma. Almost all of their optic nerves cross, giving them extremely sharp focus from incredible distances. Number 6. Owls. Owls are the masters of night vision. Their huge eyes gather light so well that they can see in near total darkness. Their optic chiasma enhances their depth perception, making them expert hunters even in dim light. Although their vision isn't the sharpest in daylight, when it comes to the night, they dominate. Number 5. Mantis Shrimp. The mantis shrimp doesn't just see well, it sees in ways we can't even imagine. With 12 to 16 types of color receptors compared to our 3, this shrimp can see colors humans can't even dream of. It also detects polarized light and UV light. While their optic chiasma isn't the reason for their super sight, the unique structure of their eyes makes them vision champions. Number 4. Hawks. Like eagles, hawks possess extreme visual acuity. Their sharp vision allows them to spot tiny prey from great heights. Their optic chiasma is heavily crossed, giving them incredibly focused binocular vision, which is perfect for long-distance hunting. Number 3. Butterflies. Surprised? Butterflies may not have sharp focus vision like eagles or hawks, but their compound eyes let them see a vast array of colors, including ultraviolet light. This helps them navigate and identify mates. The optic chiasma isn't relevant here, it's the structure of their compound eyes that sets them apart. Number 2. Tarsiers. These small primates from Southeast Asia have the largest eyes relative to body size of any mammal. Their vision is not only adapted for night hunting, but the crossover of their optic nerves gives them great depth perception and clarity in low light. Their sharp focus makes them exceptional nocturnal predators. Number 1. Peregrine falcons. And at the top of our list, the peregrine falcon. These birds have eyesight that's not only the sharpest in the animal kingdom, but also the fastest. They can spot a small bird from over 3 kilometers away and dive at speeds of over 200 miles per hour to catch it. Their optic chiasma is nearly perfect, with almost all fibers crossing, giving them unparalleled focus and clarity. Conclusion. From infrared vision to ultraviolet sight, these animals have evolved remarkable ways to see the world. What's fascinating is how their optic systems, especially the optic chiasma, have developed to maximize their vision. And while humans are far from the top, we are still pretty good at seeing the world around us. Which animal's vision surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating deep dives into the biology of vision.